may request lang po ako. Okay lang po ba yung mga students natin? Or safety purposes lang po? Okay, so welcome po here in Daljoy Factory and Museum, owned and founded by Mrs. Estela Tejada D. So ito po ay pagmamayari ng
Philippines, dalawa lang ang season natin. But of course, you have to experience more seasons. The first, we have spring. Take your pictures. Feel free to take Take time to take pictures. Feel free.
Picture ka na doon.
Take time to take your pictures. Take time.
Kuya, wait po.
Picturean ka dyan, kapicturean kita.
You may take.
What's inside? Inside. Kuya, dito po sa may boy. Saan mo nakita?
Hindi mo pwedeng hawakan.
And now, sabat naman tayo! Sakto-sakto sa panahon! Sabat na!
Susunod yan.
Meron kayo,
Seven po. What is this? What? Yes, mommy.
Hello, I am Brenda, and I will be your storyteller for today. Doughjoy started in 1972 as a small backyard business along Shaw Boulevard in Mandaluyong City. This is the old location of Doughjoy Factory and Museum. Doughjoy came from the word doll and joy, for the joy that the dolls give to everyone every time we receive them. In our family, we have 5 siblings, and 4 of us are girls. So our parents came up with the idea of creating dolls. As you can see, this gallery features me and my siblings, and we were the inspiration for Doughjoy Factory Museum. So in this part, I will show you our pictures and our doll representations. This is my older sister Anne.
coordinator kasi.
One, two, three. Yeah, look. Oh, what's this?
Oh, that's their costume. In where's that? Brazil, Brazil. Ano touching? Just look. Brazil. Oh, dito naman Koa. Look.
Whoa, what is this one?
Ayun din.
What is this one for?
Ganda.
Ganda.
Hey. Look here.
Come here na. Am. Dali ako magbigay kasi ng dance. Sit down there. Ay, mamaya na, mamaya na. Wait ka, mag-wait ka ng instruction.
Hey, don't touch it. So sweet.
Hands up! Hands up! Marunong mo ba mag-bihis ang lahat? You know how to dress properly? Alright, we're going to play fastest dress. Okay? Okay, up, hands in the air first. Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Okay, shake it. Go! Okay, and my God, in front of me. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. Go faster! So you have to put properly. Put it properly. Ay, ang galing! Ang galing naman yan!
Go, go, go!
Ay, ang galing!
Ayan, dali, dali!
Ang galing naman! Ang galing naman! Maglagay ng damit yan! Grabe naman!
Go, go, go! Kaya mo yan!
Ito ba? Sige! Tama, tama, tama! Tapos na, Sen! Tapos na! Yaman na!
Oh, sige
Yan,
tayo, tapos na.
ano?
Go, go, go!
You raise it up, dad, kapag tapos na, kompleto na ang nabingisan. You ready, okay, then? Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Dali, dali, dali!
Raise it up! Raise it up! Raise it up! Alright! May dadada na!
Ay, bagal mo.
Okay na.
Okay, this is all yours.
Ah, wala na. Talo ka na. Ang bagal mo kasi, ah. No. Ay, oo nga. Hindi ka, Priska. Mami. Ako na. Sige po. Happy?
Happy.
May bit-bit ko.
Ma-open yan.
Mamaya, ano mo na open? No. We got... Oh. Let's go. Come here. Let's go. Ganda, oh.
Hindi nga kami nagkakasama.
And we have also here Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Yes, and we have also
Ay, Priska, oh.
Under the sea, King Triton, Ariel, and his sister. And So first we have the frog prince. Squad N, mahabang buhok. Sabi, it's Rapunzel. And we have a Toy Story. Buzz and Woody. Can you see Buzz and Woody? And we have Scarecrow and Dorothy.
Mami, doon po kayo sa Mami lang.
Okay, you may take your time to take pictures of that. You may take one.
Let's go na, Priska. Bye-bye.
Collection.
Picture ka
Very good.
Wait, I have the toy. I get the
You found. I'm not sure you're. What's that? So what's the story about? It's a Philippines. Okay, now we're going to play a name game. You're going to name some Disney characters. Okay. Look at it and then. Yeah. Okay. Now, who's that character? Someone play the word. Who's that? Ariel and King Triton. Okay. Next. A girl with a long red long hair. King Rapunzel. Okay. Next. From a Toy Story. Woody. And then Buzz Lightyear. And then what's that? Okay. Mickey Mouse and. Okay. That's that. Moana.
Boys dyan, dun girls. Sa kabila. Ayan.
Ladies, of course, do not touch.
Bilisan mo, ha?
Shake it in a count of 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan na. May nanalo na!
Pasal!
Ang bilis naman nun. Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing!
Pasal! Baliktad. Sayang.